friend! Welcome to our bloomy learning world. Are you ready to learn and play? Let's go! Today's lesson is counting 1 to 10. 1. One big bright sun. 1. One juicy red apple. 1. One happy little puppy. 2. Two beautiful flowers. 2. 2 beautiful butterflies. 2 sweet red cherries. 3 happy birds. 3 shining stars. 3 cold ice creams. 4 sweet strawberries. 4 sweet strawberries. Hi friends, let's count to 4. 1, ha, well done. 4 colorful toy trains. 2 5 colorful balloons. 5 jumping frogs. 5 busy bees. 6 green leaves. 6 yummy cupcakes. 6 tiny ladybugs. 7 tall sunflowers. 7 bright umbrellas. 7 shiny crystals. 8 wonderful blocks.
8 juicy round oranges. 8 little fish. 8
9 glowing fireflies. 9 shiny buttons. 9 colorful pencils. 9
10 twinkling stars. 10
colorful crayons. 10
colorful sailboats. 10
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yay! Now we know count 1 to 10. Let's go count again. I had so much fun today. Don't forget to click the flower day. Stay in our world. See you next time. Bye-bye.